Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use spray-on knockdown wall texture. So for this video, now we have a couple different options. You can use knockdown texture. So here's one. This is a generic Homax. It says ceiling texture, orange peel knockdown. So if you want the orange peel, you don't knock it down. If you want knockdown, you can knock it down. Vertical spray, easy cleanup. Now it comes with a black nozzle and a white nozzle. You can use the white one for knockdown. Conversely, if you would rather use a wall texture, then we've got Homax wall texture for knockdown. So same type of deal. You can use either one for your wall. However, for your ceiling, you should really use the ceiling texture. So here's our goal. Something like this. It's a nice light knockdown texture. All you need to do is shake up the can real well and then hold down and spray just in kind of like bursts. Depends on the thickness you want, and it also depends on the texture you are looking for. You can just kind of do like this. Then if it's good, or if you want a little more, or if you want a little lighter, you can just kind of make it look just like that. And it looks kind of crummy right now, but then you wait about 5 minutes and let it set up. Then you can use a knockdown knife to make it look like this. So we'll come back as soon as it's set up and show you how to knock it down. Alright, so this has been sitting for about 10 minutes now, and it's starting to firm up a little bit. To knock it down, it's real simple. You're going to want to use a plastic knockdown knife. It's got a little foam pad on there. Or you can use a wet putty knife, a metal putty knife. However, I do recommend that you use a pliers or something to curl the two tips up or backwards so that when you're pulling, it doesn't catch. So here we go with a knockdown knife. You can grab one of these in the description below. It's real simple. You lightly drag across the top so that you flatten everything or knock it down. So there, it's knocked down. You can see they're flattened. Here, you can see it's not flattened. So we're going to knock this down. Just drag right over it. Nice and easy, real light. And of course, walls are not always straight or level, so you may have to just go across in a couple different directions. I'm going to go sideways. So there we go. That's all knocked down. We'll go up and down there. You can kind of do how you please, but it just looks like that. And you can see once we paint this, it's going to look pretty close to this texture. This is a little more circular. This is a little more square. But once it's painted, you will hardly be able to tell the difference. So you can see there's a great knockdown wall texture. It's real simple when you have the right tools. Use a knockdown knife. Again, you can get the knockdown knife, you can get the spray, all in the description below. And that is how to apply knockdown texture to a wall.